Alright, now what we're going to do is go through an assembly of the unit and show how the basic function works. With this first concept, prototype, we have found some areas we're going to improve, so you may see some things work a little bit difficult, but in our next model those will be resolved. First of all, we're going to take the permanent filter and slide that into its place. It slides right into the filter slot. We have a little bit of a locking device that holds that in. You can see from the side now that's in place. And this will be a very open type filter material. It's just a backup to what might get past the roll filter. Alright, now we have the roll filter itself, and it drops into the door. Slips into the bottom, into the top, lock that in place, and we can see that there. Now I'll move this around so we can get a better view. The roll filter is driven by a pair of shafts which the motor will sit on top and control that. We don't have the motor on here right now. And this simply gets over here. You start with the roller, pulls it through. This can be pulled through into place. Let me pull some more through, get that started. Once it's through, give it a little pull, straighten that out, and you can go backwards a little bit with it if you wanted. And that's basically how that goes in. It gets advanced with the roller. Now, once you get that started, the screen frame will slide in to pull the filter material down into the frame. This does work a little stiff now. We'll make some adjustments on that. Let's get this started. There we go. And with holding the filter here, a little bit free, it just slides right on down inside and locks in place. So as we turn this, you can see it advancing. You may not see it because it's all white, but bring the camera around this side. As the motor would drive, or if you're advancing it by hand, it pulls off of the roll, goes down through around the end of the screen frame and back and out through the roller section here. Once this was installed, the door can be enclosed, the motor, electronics dropped on top, and ready to go. We currently have a little pouch that goes over top to collect the exiting filter material. Instead of going with a hard cover, we chose to do it with a filter or a pouch to collect the filter, because in many of the installations there's not a lot of room. They're very tight spaces and closets, crawl spaces, attics. So we chose to keep this flexible, and if there was some other objects nearby, the filter can come out and accommodate to it. It may be a little bit larger pouch in the future, but for right now it shows the concept. And then as the filter is advanced, feeds on through, and on whatever schedule that's determined, the electronics can be programmed and monitored with the G meter. Basically that's it, and we'll be working on that next prototype, and when that's ready we'll get you the next video. Thanks.